Hi, welcome back to Yardi Immigration Reasonings. I'm Nadine Atkinson, Jamaican attorney and U.S. immigration attorney. I recently wrote an article for the American Bar Association Journal where I discussed how clients can help their attorneys to help them. Yes, you as a client, help your attorney because you are the one who knows your case best. And I have got some responses from persons asking, so what exactly is it that you're expecting me to do? And I'm going to discuss in this 7 series the types of documents that you will need to ensure that you give to your attorney. I'm going to talk about the most common cases that persons usually seek immigration benefits for: family-based visas, the K1 visa, which is for your fiance, work permits, student visas, employment-based visas, as well as for persons in the entertainment industry and a couple others. So I hope you stay tuned for all of that. The family-based visa category is perhaps the most common. Persons are filed for, as we call it in Jamaica. The proper term is being petitioned for. And of course, the relationship between the person who is being petitioned for and the petitioner, or the person who's filing, has to be proven. There are a few ways that that can be done. The birth certificate, if it's a case of parents and children or siblings, and of course, if it is for spouses, obviously you will need to have the marriage certificate. If the petition is by a US citizen, they have to show their method of becoming a citizen, whether it's their birth certificate or their naturalization certificate. If it's a legal permanent resident, then they have to show their legal permanent residence documentation when they are submitting the various documents to the US immigration authorities. Another important document that is needed for family-based visas is, of course, something that the petitioner himself or herself is going to complete, and that's called the affidavit of support. The government in the US wants to make sure that you can actually support your relative when that person comes to the United States. That's a very crucial document that persons sometimes forget that they have to complete and complete properly. We will continue to talk about this in our next series. Like, share, subscribe, and of course, in the meantime, you can check out our website. There's a free checklist on it that you can download, or you can check out my book where I talk about another area that's important for the person who's being petitioned for. Things like your fingerprints, because you will have to get additional documents from your country. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and of course, share this information with your friends and family if you think it's important and useful.